As a Windows user, I won't deny Microsoft often make life more difficult for Windows users. In this case, we're talking about users with old computers that doesn't support Windows 11, and by the way, Windows 10 also no longer getting security updates, that is, the machine is unprotected and vulnerable to hackers' attacks. But don't throw your old laptop away just yet, because today I'm going to show you an interesting alternative to Windows 10 and Windows 11. But just to make it clear, not the only alternative, but one of the most popular alternatives. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your old brick into lightning fast machine with ChromeOS Flex. But what is ChromeOS Flex? Basically, it's a lightweight version of the operating system made by Google. It's designed specifically to replace Windows on older hardware. It's fast, it's secure, and the best part, it's completely free. Why you should install ChromeOS Flex in 2026. Speed. It boots up in seconds, no more waiting minutes for Windows to load background updates. Security. With Windows 10 losing support, your data is at risk. ChromeOS Flex is updated constantly by Google and is virtually immune to traditional viruses. Simplicity. If you spend 90% of your time in a browser, watching YouTube, checking emails, or working in Google Documents, this is the perfect OS for you. Keep in mind, you cannot run X files here like on Windows OS. No native Photoshop or heavy Windows games except cloud gaming using GeForce Now. Also, unlike regular Chromebooks, the Flex version doesn't support Android apps. It's a pure web-based experience. So, having considered initial pros and cons, let's move to the installation process. Let's get technical. You only need one thing: an 8GB or larger USB drive. Warning, this will erase everything on the flash drive. Installation. Open your Chrome browser on any computer. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Chromebook Recovery utility and install it. Click the extension icon, hit Get Started, and click Select a model from a list. Now, one of the most important moments, choose Google ChromeOS Flex as the manufacturer and product. After that, insert your USB stick. Select it and hit Create Now. In about 5 to 10 minutes, your rescue drive is ready. Now, take that USB and plug it into your old laptop. To start the installation, you need to enter the boot menu. As soon as you hit the power button, press the boot key repeatedly. It's usually F12 key, however, sometimes you need to press F9 or escape key depending on your brand. Crucial tip: ChromeOS Flex requires UEFI mode. If your laptop is stuck in Legacy or CSM mode in the BIOS, it won't work. Also, I recommend turning off Secure Boot if the USB doesn't show up. Once you select the USB, you'll see the welcome screen, and after that you will be able to select the language and other basic options. First of all, I recommend to select Try it first. This lets you run the OS directly from the USB without deleting Windows, so you can test if your Wi-Fi and sound work properly. If you like the test run, click Install ChromeOS Flex. Remember, this wipes your hard drive. The big benefit of the ChromeOS Flex: the installation is incredibly fast, usually under 5 minutes, and it's very simple. Once it restarts, remove the USB drive. You'll be greeted by a clean, modern setup screen. Sign in with your Google account, and magically all your Chrome bookmarks, passwords, and history are already there. Believe it or not, but it feels like a brand new computer. Let's be real, is it perfect? Not for everyone. Briefly, let's talk about advantages. Speed, it's night and day. Apps open instantly. Battery life, you will likely get 1 to 2 extra hours of battery because processor doesn't work as hard as on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you can save some battery. Security, you can forget about antiviruses because Google handles everything without any issues. Probably I should mention disadvantages one more time. No X files, that is, you cannot install Windows software or specialized games. No Android apps. Despite that the Chromebooks can run Play Store, on FlexOS you can only install and run application from the web store. Offline limits. It's built for the cloud. If you don't have a Wi-Fi, it's much less useful. My conclusions: is it worth it? Let's think for a second. If you use your laptop for YouTube, Netflix, student work, browsing, writing, then yes, it's suitable. It's much better than insecure version of Windows 10 or Windows 11, that's for sure. And yes, sometimes it can even make old laptop feel premium. However, if you are a professional video editor or a hardcore gamer, you should probably take a close look at Linux Mint, which I will be covering in my next video. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like it, and I recommend watching this video on how to install FightOS, which is the Chinese version of ChromeOS Flex, but with Google Play Store.